Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jody, and for those of you who don't know, I have a needle felting business called SnowflakeForest, and I specialize in custom nursery decor, baby mobiles, along with some other things such as knitted hats or photography prints. Today's video is going to be a review on some needle felting tools. These are tools that Clover USA sent to me to test and review for them. The first two that I started with are the single needle felting tool and the speed needle refill. It comes with two and a little case. Let's talk about the single needle felting tool first. This is my go-to tool when needle felting. It comes with a nice cap to protect it when it's not in use. I like to use this tool when I am doing things like needle felting the little characters for the baby mobile, or adding the details on props that you can use in like newborn photography. So the end twists off here, which allows you, just that simple, which allows you to pull the needle out, and you can put a different type of needle in here. This is very nice, quick, easy access when needing to change. And then you just twist back on and you can hear that it snapped. So this is pretty much a must tool for beginners, and it is a staple for those who are intermediate and advanced needle felters. I also like how it holds the needle in this plastic casing, so you can have my little guy. Hey you, look what you got. So you can hold a firmer grip onto the needle, and you have a more, shh, but you need to be quiet. You have a more accurate puncture of the wool, and it also helps you prevent any mishaps from accidentally poking yourself. No, buddy. Come over here with Mama. You want this? Next are the speed needles. And these are extremely great needles because they have little barbs at the end, and they allow, you want to take that? For you to create your items a lot faster. You can have that. He really loves the things that I needle felt. So as I was saying, these are barbed and they allow you to pull wool a lot faster. So these are ideal in the beginning stages of needle felting when you are shaping your mold. I also like how they hold the wool firmer and tighter. These are my favorite needles right now, and they, hey you, come on cutie, sit down here. And this box holds them very securely. It's also my favorite color, and you can put them inside this tool, which will also allow you to then use this needle, having a firmer and better grasp on it while using. Put them up there and out of the way. Thanks for watching this review. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry for the interruption with my little guy, and be sure to look for me on other social media sites. You can find me on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you think there's someone else that might enjoy it, share it with them. Leave me a comment because I love talking with you all. And we are teaming up for a giveaway together.
Alright, so I had originally envisioned making this needle felting tool review video for Clover USA as a narration. However, I ended up sitting down and reviewing these tools for you in person as you just saw. This part of the video is going to cover more from my testing of these two tools. Right now, you are watching me open the single needle felting tool. I want to point out some of its obvious features I first noticed, such as the markings to know where to put the cap on that will ensure it staying securely. Now let's open the Speed Needle Refill tool. Here I wanted to show you up close the barbs on the end of the needle. These are key to catching the wool fibers and pulling it. Wool fibers have scales, and therefore when using needles with hooks and barbs, they catch the wool fibers, allowing the entanglement. Lastly, I wanted to point out how the ends are color-coded so you can't confuse which needle you have. Now you are going to watch me create a little mushroom while telling you more about these two tools. The single needle felting tool. This is my go-to tool when needle felting, especially when creating the smaller items like the characters for the baby mobiles or details on props. I appreciate how it comes with a cap to protect the needle while it is not in use. The twist-off end allows for easy and quick access to change the needle when working with different wools and needles. The single needle felting tool is ideal for the final stages of my work, like adding colors and details to my sculptures. The plastic casing allows for a comfortable and firm grasp on the needle, which is important for making exact punches into the wool and avoiding a stab mishap. The Speed Needle Refill. These two needles come in my favorite color of box that protects them while storing. They are my newest favorite needle to use. The box closes very securely, which is important when working with extremely sharp objects like these. The speed needles are perfect for pulling more wool due to the barbed tip. These needles can greatly increase needle felting time. They also seem to work at making a tighter and firmer entanglement of the wool fibers. I would use these needles mostly during the beginning stages of my creation when I am shaping the wool into my desired mold. The speed needles can be used inside of the single needle felting tool, allowing for the best grip and use. The versatility of these two needle felting tools are perfect for a beginner needle felter and a crucial staple for an intermediate and advanced needle felting artist. Thank you so much, Clover USA, for reaching out to me and teaming up together. I have been having a blast working with you all. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to check the links in the description below this video where you can find Clover USA's website. Their blog is where this and other reviews will be featured, and links to our other social media sites are there too. As always, don't forget to subscribe and follow to see what else we have teamed up on and have in store for you. If you liked this video, please take a moment and give it a thumbs up, share it if you think someone else might enjoy, and leave me a comment. Bye everyone!